Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make text small in Discord. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the chat in which you want to send the text. You can simply tap on any of your messages, or you can also go to the text channel in your server. Simply tap on the server of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the text channel in which you want to send your text. Now you can see over here that particular channel has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to see the message bar. Simply tap on it. Now whenever you send the message, you can see over here the text size is normal. So if you want to decrease the size of the text, what you have to do is simply type in minus. Now type in hash. Now tap on the space bar. Now type in your message over here. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text size is smaller than normal. So like this, you'll be able to make the text small. So that is how you make text small in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.